Ready to say goodbye to your lovable account for good? Here's your definitive guide to a clean digital break. First things first, open the Lovable app or navigate to their website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile picture or the settings icon, usually found in the corner of the screen. On the settings page, look for a section specifically labeled Account or Account Settings. This is where you'll find the option to manage your account status. Within the account settings, scroll down until you find an option for Delete Account or Close Account. It might be in a less prominent spot, so keep an eye out. Clicking this will likely present you with a confirmation step. Lovable, like most services, will want to ensure you're absolutely sure. You might need to re-enter your password or answer a security question. Before you confirm, pay close attention to the information provided. This step will usually detail what data will be permanently removed and that your account will be irretrievable. Review the terms and, if you're ready to proceed, click the final confirmation button. This action is irreversible. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted your lovable account. All your data associated with it should now be permanently removed, ensuring enhanced data privacy.